Good morning, everybody. Thank you for having us here. And it's nice to be with the learned panelist here. What we do is we're trying to address data management as a word. I mean, it may sound familiar to you all throughout, but here we're trying to highlight something like, as if I go back 2 decades back, we were talking about creating IT infrastructure. We were trying to make it available 24/7. We were talking about security of that. Then we moved up and said, we'll look at the performance part of it, right? And then we had these cloud part of it. And then we talked about virtualization. That's how the industry has evolved. And all that legacy has been created, if I may say so. And here we are trying to address that there is nothing called legacy. You have a data there, right? And that is where our specialization is. We are talking about capturing that data in any form, whether it's a video form, image form, or your voice form, or is it the normal statistical data? And that is where Quantum India or Quantum Corporation worldwide is trying to address. And what we are saying is that you have data in any form, you have a legacy, and you have the new infrastructure coming in. What is more important is not the hardware infrastructure or the investment what you've done on the hardware piece, which has gone old, but the data is critical. Can we preserve 100-year-old data to the latest information? And as Dr. Venkatraman is saying, he's working on artificial intelligence. Machine learning, artificial intelligence is now the way things are moving. And if I can add to what ITI initiative today is about Startup India, IoT, ICT, and that's where quantum is helping integrating the bottom line as that data. Yes, of course, the security part comes in form of protecting your passport and the currency and other things, protecting your networks and protecting your IT investments. But here is quantum helping a layer above, saying that yes, we not only help you with data management, data security, and it could be in any form. We have done it for very large organization of over 50 petabytes of data for, if I can name some, is like NASA, we have Airbus, we have Boeing, and I would like to name some Indian customers also, but I'm restricting because we are under NDA at this point of time. But similarly in the geospatial, we've done some bit of us where we have more than 15, 20 petabyte, which we are managing today. Moving from geospatial, sir, to the genomic part, that's another research which is coming in. And my topic today was about research and innovation, which I'll talk a little more when I get a second chance, perhaps. And from genomic, we are talking about oil and gas, as you rightly said, Sarnath, sir. And oil and gas is, again, something which is very, very critical data. And these are different form of data, if you notice. Is National Archive, in terms of film, important to us? Of course. These are the kind of various form of data which we are managing, and we are today geared up for not only managing just statistical data or just numeric data, but any form of data from legacy to futuristic, whether it's machine learning or artificial. So I'll stop here for a while and hand over because my time limit is there, that's why. Booth number 10, my director sales, they be with me, my technology director sitting at the back. It'll be a pleasure to host you there at booth number 10. Thank you.